The journey of the onion, from field to factory, begins here, on the scale of industrial agriculture. Precision machinery carefully lifts millions of bulbs from the ground in a single, continuous motion.
The first step is separation, gently removing the soil while keeping the delicate bulbs intact.
This symbiotic dance ensures maximum efficiency, minimizing handling time in the field.
Each truckload represents countless onions, ready for the crucial processing stage.
From the open fields, the harvest arrives at the immense, highly automated processing facility.
Safety and speed are paramount in the receiving area as the massive payload is prepared for unloading.
The sheer volume of produce is immediately evident as the truck empties its bounty.
The automated flow begins, moving the fresh harvest into the initial cleaning stages. Even after the field, a final gentle sifting ensures the produce is fully cleaned of debris. Now, the first cosmetic process. A gentle rub to remove the brittle, protective outer layer. A crucial hydro-cleaning stage, washing away contaminants and preparing the onion for inspection.
Spotless and sanitized, the onions are now ready for the most important step, quality control.
Despite automation, the human eye remains essential. Every single onion undergoes manual inspection.
Zero tolerance for imperfections ensures only the highest quality produce proceeds to the next phase.
But the final inspection is left to technology. High-speed optical sorters confirm the human check.
Using proprietary algorithms, the system can detect flaws invisible to the naked eye.
Perfect execution. In milliseconds, the flawed onion is precisely removed without interrupting the flow.
The next critical step is uniformity. Sizing ensures that every order meets exact specifications.
From petite picklers to massive supers, the system separates them flawlessly based on diameter. Ready for their final destination, the sorted onions are now grouped by size for packaging.
The final preparation, precise weighing and automated packaging for retail and distribution. In seconds, the perfect weight is measured and sealed, guaranteeing freshness and quality. From raw agricultural product to consumer-ready goods, the transformation is complete. Automation excels in maximizing efficiency, stacking and preparing orders for immediate shipment.
Millions of onions, harvested, cleaned, sorted, and packaged, ready to ship worldwide.
Each pallet must be secured for the long haul, protecting the integrity of the product.
The warehouse functions like a massive, automated repository, ready to dispatch at a moment's notice.
Temperature control is key. Refrigerated transport maintains the onion's quality and shelf life.
Shipment secured. The product is now officially in transit to the retail market.
Destination unknown. The massive logistics network takes over, guiding the millions of onions to stores.
No part of the crop is truly wasted. Organic material is repurposed for composting or biofuel. Constant preventative maintenance ensures that the automated system runs without a single minute of downtime.
Water management is a major component of sustainability in a high-volume processing plant.
Beyond visual quality, a rigorous laboratory regimen verifies the product's safety and microbial purity.
Sophisticated logistics software ensures accurate inventory and just-in-time delivery to customers globally.
For certain crops or storage methods, a pre-harvest preparation is required to allow the onions to dry slightly.
This curing process enhances the outer skin's toughness, improving long-term storage capability. Stored under optimized temperature and humidity, these onions can remain fresh for many months.
Scientific control over the storage environment is non-negotiable for preserving the harvest.
Even the rejected onions continue the journey, ensuring minimal food waste from the total harvest. High-power machinery turns seconds into slurry, creating the base for secondary products. This valuable organic material is sold to supplement livestock feed and other industrial uses.
Meticulous sanitization is performed daily to prevent cross-contamination and maintain the highest hygiene standards.
Continuous cleaning systems are embedded into the machinery to ensure non-stop, smooth operation. Quality assurance is layered. Supervisors audit the human element to ensure maximum sorting precision.
Worker safety is paramount. All staff adhere strictly to industrial protection protocols.
The final digital check, confirming the exact package count before it enters the shipping carton.
Full traceability is guaranteed. Every package is marked with a batch code for quick recall if needed. Layer by layer, the pallet is built for maximum stability, preventing damage during long-distance transit.
The cycle continues. In another field, the next generation of onions is beginning its growth.
From this delicate beginning, a high-value, massive crop will eventually be harvested.
For the bulbs that were field cured, a dedicated cutter removes the final vestiges of the greenery.
Centralized monitoring allows for immediate identification and correction of any bottleneck or mechanical issue.
Even the nutritious green tops are recovered and repurposed as high-quality compost for the next crop.
Sustainable energy practices offset the massive power demands of the industrial-scale processing. Final check. The digital manifest is verified against the physical product, ensuring the correct order is shipped.
The integrity of the cold chain begins with the pre-cooling of the vehicle itself. The automated system adapts in real time to the varying volume of product flow from the field.
For long-term storage varieties, a specialized food-safe spray prevents premature sprouting.
Even the smallest particle on the lens can compromise the optical sorter's precision. Maintenance is vital.
Beyond fresh packing, a significant portion of the crop is processed for frozen ingredients.
Precision dicing. A continuous flow creates perfectly uniform pieces ready for the freezing stage.
The final product. Individually quick frozen onion pieces. Perfect for industrial food service.
Bulk packaging optimizes logistics for high-volume commercial and institutional use.
A robust, multi-layered seal protects the frozen product from moisture and air contamination.
Even in the frozen section, careful, manual handling is needed to manage the immense weight of the bulk product.
Deep freeze storage awaits, maintaining the constant, required temperature until distribution.
Quality assurance extends to the sensory experience. Every batch is tasted to confirm the desired flavor.
Chemical composition is also checked. Maintaining a consistent pH is crucial for preservation and safety.
Optimizing growth requires precise, scheduled nutrient delivery to ensure maximum size and yield.
The unseen action. The plant's root system continuously draws the essential elements from the earth.
At the heart of the facility, one operator can monitor and control the entire multi-million-dollar process.
Every single component of the harvest is accounted for, and directed toward its most optimal use.
A perfect airtight seal is the final barrier against external moisture and contamination. Beyond the bulk mesh bags, specialized packaging caters to high-end and niche consumer demands.
A final chemical sterilization step ensures total disinfection of all food contact surfaces.
Machine vision is used to regulate the flow, ensuring every onion is presented perfectly for inspection. This is the true scale of modern food production, a massive, integrated supply chain.
Random quality control checks are performed continuously, verifying the product's average size and weight.
All metrics are digitally logged, creating a comprehensive database of product quality and consistency. The unseen precision, the complex gearing that drives the flawless separation of the product by size.
Beyond the naked eye, UV light scanning is used to verify the absolute cleanliness of the surfaces.
A final, non-negotiable safety measure, ensuring zero metallic contamination in the packaged goods.
A tight, secure seal is essential for protecting the product's integrity during the rigors of shipping. First major stop, a high-volume distribution center, the hub for regional logistics.
Here, the factory's inventory is merged with products from other producers for market-specific distribution.
The logistical record is updated. The onions are now officially within the retailer's inventory system.
The final logistical hurdle, automatically sorting the product for its specific, local retail destination. Integrated pest management is a continuous process, ensuring the crop remains healthy from seed to harvest.
Natural predators are often deployed as the first line of defense against unwanted pests.
Rapid surface drying prevents microbial growth and ensures the integrity of the outer skin. Multiple criteria lead to rejection, ensuring the consistency and quality of the final packaged product.
Gravity and ingenious design ensure a quick, gentle transfer between the levels of the factory. High-speed thermal printing instantly creates the necessary tracking and delivery information.
Total environmental cleanliness is maintained, preventing any chance of external contamination from dust or debris.
The massive energy demand of the factory requires continuous monitoring and precise power management.
This final freezing technique guarantees the individually quick frozen quality, preventing clumping.
Air quality is continuously tested to ensure a sterile and particle-free packaging environment.
The physics of logistics, a specific interlocking pattern, maximizes stability for long-distance, bumpy transit.
The final wrap, a strong, protective layer that resists external damage and moisture.
A deeper analysis verifies that the processing has not compromised the onion's cellular structure or freshness.
Behind the automation is a dedicated and highly trained workforce, essential to the operation.
Strict hand-washing protocols are rigorously enforced to maintain the highest levels of food hygiene.
Specialized machinery is often necessary to handle the unique characteristics of different onion varieties.
The delicate red variety requires a lighter touch throughout the entire harvesting and processing chain. Separate lines prevent cross-contamination and allow for optimized processing parameters for specialty items.
This premium product is prepared for a more specialized consumer market, emphasizing presentation.
A comprehensive training program ensures all new staff understand the critical importance of hygiene and safety.
Follow the 6 steps meticulously to eliminate all potential contamination vectors.
Even in deep freeze, continuous temperature monitoring ensures the absolute integrity of the frozen product.
the required cold chain temperature is maintained, guaranteeing the longest possible shelf life.
A significant portion of the output is prepared for global export via long-haul shipping containers.
For international transit, the container itself becomes a controlled climate zone, powered for the journey.
The final security measure, a unique, tamper-proof seal, ensures the integrity of the product until it reaches its foreign port.
From the field to the rail, the journey continues on the backbone of global intermodal transport. The harvest is continuous. Every few hours, a new surge of product is introduced to the line.
Turbulence is necessary, ensuring every surface of every onion is scrubbed clean by the water.
The wash water is constantly recycled and filtered, maximizing resource efficiency and cleanliness. Ultraviolet light provides a final, non-chemical sterilization, eliminating surface pathogens. Regular calibration ensures the vision system remains at peak performance for flaw detection.
The spray pattern is precisely engineered to ensure even, light coating on every surface.
Noise pollution is managed through advanced sound dampening, enhancing the comfort and safety of the staff.
Post-harvest, the land is immediately tended to, preparing the soil for a restorative cover crop.
Soil health is maximized through the use of rotation and nitrogen-fixing cover crops.
Maintaining a dust-free, sterile warehouse floor is critical to preventing contamination during storage and shipping.
Final visual verification ensures the frozen product meets the stringent size and quality standards.
Even automated lines require a final manual touch to ensure the aesthetic quality of premium packaging.
A consistent, powerful air supply is critical to the fast and accurate rejection mechanism.
From the agricultural fields to the heart of the city, the journey nears its completion.
The final transfer, delivering the bulk product directly to the consumer's primary source. Even in the back of house, the cold chain remains unbroken, ensuring product longevity.
The end of the line, presented perfectly for the consumer, ready for purchase.
The culmination of a global, precision-driven process. The final selection by the shopper.
Another successful purchase, a small but essential ingredient in the daily life of millions.
The cycle concludes, only to begin anew with the preparation for the next season's crop. Data-driven farming. Every metric is recorded to optimize the yield and quality of the future harvest. The factory rests, but the process never truly stops, preparing in the darkness for the daylight's work.
Thermal imaging is used to predict and prevent mechanical failures before they cause downtime.
Aerial surveillance provides a macroscopic view, identifying early stress indicators invisible to the human eye.
Small, targeted tools allow for instantaneous clearing of minor jams without stopping the main line.
The wash cycle generates significant runoff, all of which must be processed before being recycled or discharged. Multi-stage filtration, including activated carbon, removes all fine particulate matter and odors. A clean control sample is essential to maintain the baseline standard for all laboratory quality checks. Advanced overhead logistics systems maximize floor space and efficiency in the high-volume freezing operation. Routine material changeover is a constant part of the high-speed, high-volume packaging operation. Blades are routinely removed for specialized ultrasonic cleaning to ensure total removal of residues. High-frequency sound waves reach every crevice, ensuring absolute sterilization of the cutting surfaces. Technology's triumph.
The precision of the sorter ensures zero tolerance for even subtle quality defects.
Essential mechanical care extends to all moving parts, ensuring a reliable, long lifespan for the equipment. Weeks later, the crop is flourishing, a testament to the optimized soil health and nurturing environment.
The packaging material is chosen for durability and breathability, ensuring product protection and ventilation.
Dust control is vital, particularly around sensitive electronic and computerized control systems.
Seam strength testing is performed randomly to guarantee the packaging will not fail during transit or stocking. The composting unit continuously rotates, efficiently breaking down the organic matter into reusable soil amendment.
Temperature control is key to successful composting, a metric of microbial activity and efficient breakdown.
Logistics demand precision. Forklift operators are trained to navigate the complex, high-traffic warehouse safely.
Full digital transparency. Every step of the product's journey is recorded and tracked in real time. Continuous motion, even on the pre-wash line, prevents bruising and ensures even pre-cleaning.
Texture analysis verifies that the processing methods retain the desired crispness and structural integrity of the onion. For the very top tier, a final manual selection ensures that only the most beautiful specimens are chosen.
Attention to detail. Every element of the premium packaging is designed to convey superior quality.
Managing stormwater runoff prevents localized flooding and controls the environmental impact of the facility.
Industrial-scale water handling requires complex plumbing and safety valves to manage the massive flow. Even the papery outer skins are collected separately for specialized, light-volume recycling and reprocessing.
Every component that touches the product receives regular, meticulous, hands-on sterilization.
Accelerated growth, a time-lapse view of the rapid maturation process under optimal conditions.
Final phase of maturation. Energy is shifted from the leaves to the final development of the marketable bulb.
Access control is strictly managed to limit potential vectors of contamination and maintain security.
Climate monitoring ensures optimal operating conditions for both the machinery and the integrity of the fresh product. Products are staged and batched by destination for maximum efficiency in the final loading sequence. Manual audit is the last step to catch any potential digital or printing errors before dispatch.
Wear and tear is a constant reality. Regular, proactive replacement of components prevents catastrophic failure.
Automated scraping systems continuously remove debris from the underside, preventing dust and buildup.
Moisture content is a critical metric, determining the product's storage life and final quality characteristics.
Ultra-high-speed multi-head scales ensure pinpoint accuracy in bulk packaging, minimizing product giveaway.
A robust, double-stitched closure is essential for the integrity of the heavy, frozen bulk packaging.
Restorative farming. The cover crop is already improving the soil's structure and organic content for the next season.
The design of the plant prioritizes access for cleaning, with dedicated ports for deep sterilization.
Orders are frequently mixed, consolidating various products onto a single pallet for efficient multi-product delivery.
Clear external labeling ensures easy identification and auditing of complex, mixed product shipments. Detailed soil sampling provides precise, hyper-local data for fertilization and amendment planning for the next crop.
Immediate on-site testing allows for rapid data collection, informing real-time agricultural management decisions. Water consumption is continuously tracked and managed to meet stringent conservation targets. A simple but critical step, manually clearing the pre-filter ensures the longevity of the main filtration units.
The precision engineering of the bagging machine creates a durable and aesthetically pleasing package base.
Maintaining precise bolt tension is essential on high-vibration machinery to prevent loosening and eventual failure.
For regional food service delivery, smaller, high-speed refrigerated transport is used for quick turnaround.
The final temperature check ensures the product leaves the factory perfectly within the required cold specification.
Speed and certainty. A dedicated delivery system ensures restaurants and institutions receive their product rapidly.
Continuous improvement is a core philosophy. Experienced teams routinely review and refine all processes.
Small, incremental changes in the logistics path can lead to significant savings in time and energy.
Jet nozzle alignment must be perfect to ensure a precise, non-damaging ejection of the rejected product.
A final pass over gentle rollers ensures no small clumps have formed before the final bulk sealing. Maintaining the purity and balance of the wash water is a constant, highly sensitive chemical process.
The titration test quickly verifies the exact concentration of the sanitizing agent in the circulating wash water.
At the conclusion of the shift, security and accurate payroll are maintained through biometric identification.
Maximum growth achieved. The bulb is firm, dry, and perfectly sealed by its natural protective layer.
A new day. A new section of the massive field is ready for the precision of the automated harvest.
The efficiency of the harvest is unparalleled, maximizing yield while minimizing damage to the delicate crop.
Sterilization of the receiving area between loads prevents any possibility of cross-batch contamination.
Every incoming load is precisely documented and tracked, ensuring full traceability back to the specific field.
The line switches seamlessly between different varieties, each one handled with the same high standards. The initial sifting is crucial for this thinner-skinned variety, ensuring minimal surface damage. A dedicated program setting adjusts the machinery for the unique requirements of the thin-skinned purple onion.
Washed and sanitized, the natural color is intensified by the perfectly clean, wet surface.
A contrasting backdrop aids the human eye in quickly identifying the smallest imperfections on the darker skin.
A final, detail-oriented trim ensures a perfect, consumer-ready presentation for the high-value product. Automated calibration ensures the sizing mechanism is instantly optimized for the new variety's dimensions.
The premium variety is packaged in smaller, more exclusive retail quantities, reflecting its higher market value.
Adding value. A branded tag provides a final piece of marketing and quality assurance for the consumer.
Final product line for the specialty crop. Perfect, high quality, and ready for market.
Extra care in the shipping tray protects the delicate, high-value skin of the purple onion from any abrasion.
Palletization is an exact science. Weight distribution is mapped to ensure no crushing of the lower, softer layers. From the raw product to the shipping dock, the entire multi-layered process is executed with automated precision.
Blade sharpness is verified via non-contact laser measurement, ensuring a clean cut and preventing cell damage.
High-concentration organic waste is segregated and processed through a dedicated biological treatment system. Bioremediation relies on maintaining the perfect environment for microbes to consume the high organic effluent. The beneficial cover crop is returned to the earth, boosting the organic matter content for the next rotation.
The ultimate goal, perpetually improving the soil structure, leading to better yields and crop resilience.
The last measure of protection, physical bracing, prevents any shifting or impact damage during the sea voyage.
A dedicated logger records every hour of the journey, providing full temperature audit trail upon arrival.
Efficiency extends to waste. Automated palletizing of empty materials streamlines the recycling process.
HEPA-level filtration ensures a clean room standard for the final, sensitive gourmet packaging area.
The frozen line requires an extra level of metal detection to screen for any minute fragments from the dicing process.
Color uniformity is a key quality metric, verified scientifically to meet the customer's exact visual standard. A continuous supply of fresh, sanitary protective gear is essential for maintaining hygiene standards. Vertical storage maximizes the capacity of the massive warehouse, demanding highly skilled equipment operators.
Specialty orders or long-haul deliveries require additional protective liners within the standard mesh bag.
Firmness testing is the final, physical metric to confirm the crop has reached its optimal harvest maturity.
Harvest is conducted in a staggered, phase-by-phase approach, guided by real-time field data. Even surface water is collected and reused, maximizing the factory's internal water cycling.
High-temperature steam and hot water are a daily necessity for the factory's continuous, deep sanitization schedule.
Safety and continuity. Routine checks ensure the high-pressure steam and hot water systems are operating flawlessly.
Hands-on training builds muscle memory for the essential hygiene and sanitation protocols of the line. For the most sensitive packaging, a localized, ultra-clean environment prevents airborne particulate contamination.
All organic material is cleanly baled for efficient transport to the off-site composting and rendering facilities.
Physical verification against a certified gauge is the ultimate check of the sizing mechanism's accuracy.
The final transfer to the sea. The factory's product now begins its voyage across international waters. Every container is precisely locked to the vessel, ensuring absolute security and stability in high seas.
Part of the global supply chain, the harvest now travels to millions of consumers worldwide.
Automation continues through the night. Autonomous cleaners maintain the critical hygiene of the facility.
Predictive maintenance. The robots perform self-diagnostics and maintenance routines to ensure a fresh start each morning.
The constant, immense, controlled cold of the storage unit protects the year's bounty for future consumption. Safety is paramount for the cryogenic systems, with constant monitoring and automatic pressure relief. Pinpoint nutrition, a finely calibrated application of micronutrients, ensures optimal early plant development. Global standards. The facility operates under the most rigorous international food safety and quality certifications. Not all product goes to retail. High-volume industrial processors require bulk frozen ingredients for their own products. The sheer volume of the industrial order highlights the immense capacity of the factory's output. A sleeping giant. The facility awaits the dawn, ready to repeat the continuous, automated process. The final moments of rest for the crop, before the industrial-scale harvest begins anew.
The work begins. The immense task of harvesting millions of onions, one row at a time. Precision engineering minimizes disturbance, ensuring the bulbs are lifted cleanly and intact. The flow is constant and relentless, ensuring the factory line receives a continuous supply for the day's processing. Cleanliness from the first step. The factory begins the day with fully sterilized equipment and fresh wash water.
The synchronized efforts of man and machine ensure the rapid sorting of the massive daily volume.
Waste management is a continuous operation, with bins routinely swapped out to prevent overflow. Pre-staging the product for boxing, grouping the bags in precise quantities for the next phase of automation. On-demand packaging. The boxes are folded and glued in a continuous stream, perfectly timed to the product flow.
Final branding. A unique label ensures the product is immediately recognizable and sorted for its specific retail customer.
The end-to-end process is complete. Less than an hour from the field, the product is ready for transit.
The final test, evaluating the fresh product's characteristics for color, texture, and flavor in a real-world application.
Precision is evident. The system accurately sorts for every size category, optimizing market value.
Even the smaller product is valued, destined for specialized markets like the pickling industry. The full force of the operation, a continuous synchronization of harvest, transport, and processing.
Final temperature audit before shipping confirms the product is sufficiently pre-cooled for transport. Air separation provides an ultimate quality check, removing any light, unwanted particles before bulk packaging.
Investment in new technology minimizes maintenance downtime and ensures peak operational reliability. Color-coded piping ensures clear identification and safe management of all essential industrial utilities. Quick Connect ports allow for rapid, localized use of utility systems for immediate cleaning needs. Post-harvest analysis confirms total crop yield and assess the field's condition for the next planting cycle.
Brix level is a critical quality indicator, scientifically verifying the desired sweetness and flavor profile of the crop. The end result: a testament to industrial precision, food science, and meticulous quality control.
Ready for its purpose, the onion now waits for the millions of home kitchens it will eventually service.
The final transfer of ownership, logged digitally, completing the entire logistical and financial chain.
The product moves from the industrial world into the everyday rhythm of urban life.
From millions down to one, the individual onion is now prepared for its final culinary role.
Ultimate purpose realized. The precision of the cut reflects the quality of the sorting and processing.
The end of the journey, contributing its flavor and texture to a nourishing, high-quality meal.
Utility systems run continuously, providing the constant power and steam required for a 24/7 facility.
Maintaining the vacuum's efficiency ensures all light waste is cleanly and safely removed from the line.
Preparation is everything. A perfectly tilled seedbed is the foundation of a successful crop.
GPS-guided planting ensures millimeter-accurate spacing, maximizing yield per square meter.
The ultimate beginning. The tiny, high-potential seed is perfectly placed for optimal germination.
The logistical loop is closed. The empty trucks return, ready to replenish the supply chain once more.
Automation streamlines every process, even the logistical entry and exit of the transport fleet. The final review, aggregating all quality metrics to create a comprehensive profile for the day's total output. Success confirmed. The multifaceted process has delivered a product of the highest possible quality standard.
A symphony of engineering, logistics, and science, processing millions of onions in a single, seamless flow. Hygiene is a constant commitment, extending even to the non-product contact surfaces. Time-sensitive orders are routed through the high-speed air cargo logistics network.
A dedicated chilling solution is used to maintain temperature integrity during the rapid, high-altitude air transit.
Daily dispatch, a seamless coordination of all transport modes, ensures timely, global delivery.
Nurturing the future. The cover crop is carefully maintained, continuing the cycle of soil health.
Delicate start of the next harvest. Already under the meticulous care of data-driven agriculture.
The cycle repeats, an endless pursuit of quality, efficiency, and scale.
The human element, a final check, that confirms the immense automated effort has been successful. This is the reality of modern food production, a meticulous, multi-billion onion supply chain in continuous operation. From millions of seeds to one perfect ingredient, the incredible journey of the onion is complete.